In today's video, you will learn how to remove acne in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating two copies of your background layer by pressing Ctrl and J twice. This gives you separate layers to work with while keeping the original image untouched. After that, hide the top copy for now so you can focus on the layer underneath. Right-click on the first copy and convert it into a smart object. This is useful because it keeps your filters editable, allowing you to go back and adjust the settings later if needed. Next, head up to the filter menu, go to Noise and choose Median. Slowly increase the radius until the acne and skin imperfections begin to soften and fade away. For this image, a value around 45 pixels works well, but the right amount may vary depending on the resolution of your photo. Now create a solid color adjustment layer. Set the hue and saturation to 0% and the brightness to 50%. This creates a neutral gray layer that will help restore realistic texture later in the process. Convert this layer into a smart object as well so everything stays flexible and editable. Change the blending mode from normal to overlay, then go back to the filter menu, choose noise, and add noise. Set the amount to around 8%, and make sure uniform and monochromatic are both selected. This step helps bring back natural-looking grain and texture to the skin instead of leaving it overly smooth. After that, apply a slight Gaussian blur and set it to around 1 pixel. This softens the added noise just enough so it blends naturally into the image. Now unhide the top layer and convert it into a smart object too. Change its blending mode to vivid light, then go to Filter, Other, and select High Pass. Gradually raise the value until some of the original skin texture starts coming back into the photo. Select all three layers and group them together using Ctrl and G. Open the group blending options and adjust the underlying layer sliders while holding Alt to smoothly hide the effect from the brightest highlights and darkest shadows. This helps the retouch blend more naturally into the skin. Finally, add a layer mask to the group and invert it with Ctrl and I. Select the brush tool, lower the flow to around 9%, and make sure your foreground color is set to white. Gently paint over the acne and uneven areas to reveal the smoothing effect gradually and naturally in real time. And that's it. You now have a clean and professional skin retouching effect while still preserving realistic texture and detail.